Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word senescent in depth. First, the definition. Senescent means describing cells or organisms that are aging and no longer dividing. Think of it simply as cells that have reached the end of their active life, like tired workers who can no longer perform their jobs. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Senescent traces back to senescent comes from the Latin word senescere, meaning to grow old. Over time, it's been used by scientists studying aging and biology. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use senescent in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The senescent cells in the tissue showed signs of aging and reduced function. Correct example 2. The senescent leaves fell gently from the tree as autumn approached. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to senescent my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference. Using senescent correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Senescent means describing cells or organisms that are aging and no longer dividing. It comes from the Latin word senescere, meaning to grow old, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with senescent down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.